Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I just finished filming my Chanel 23K haul video, so if you haven't already watched that, please click it now, check it out. Part 2 to my birthday unboxing, which is all Hermes focused, is what I will focus on in this video. So these are the items that I picked up. The month of September is my birthday month. I like to celebrate all month long, and these are some of the items that I treated myself to for my birthday. So without further ado, we will get into it. Okay. Ooh, heavy. Everything's so heavy. All right, well, we'll start with this box. I bet you can guess what's inside. I was just really fell in love with the material of this. So it's the first one of these that I've gotten. It is the Cashmere scarf. So where I live, it's always cold at night. I live in California. It's always cold at night and warm during the day. And I feel like sometimes with the silks or the wools, they could just be too heavy, but with cashmere it's like a little bit more breathable, so it's warm and cool at the same time. This had like a really cool bicycle dragon motif, and I really liked the neutral nature of this color. It is called, ooh, I'm not going to try and say what it's called, but I will just hold this up. This is the scarf. I don't know if that's focusing. Okay. So this folded in half, and I would probably take the tag off. I take the tags off of my scarves. No intention of selling them ever, so there you go. I put them in my little notebook with the tags. This is the scarf. It's just kind of like something nice, neutral for fall. You can kind of throw it on, wear it with a bunch of different outfits. There's black in here, so like an all black outfit, and then this is like the little pop of color. I think could be really chic and fun. So that was the first item. Okay, now let's do the big box for the second item. These I ordered in store with my essay from the online store, and then I actually had them delivered to the store so I could make sure that they were correct. So these are just a cute pair of like white, light gray, I should know the name, colored Mary Janes. I don't know if it says on there, shoot, and I put the receipt across the room. Anyway, I will try and put a little note at the bottom of the color if I can find it, but they're kind of like, they're off-white leather Mary Janes, and I just thought that they were like so cute, easy. They're actually really comfy. They kind of, this is like the new orthopedic like dad shoe. You know, remember when dad sneakers were like really in a couple years ago? This is kind of like the answer to that, but I think they look really cute with like a little dress and tights underneath, or even with like long jeans and like a frilly sock. I think that they're just really sweet, and they're super comfortable, and I like the like very subtle, if you know, you know, H right there. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. So that was that, and they fit really good. I take a 39.5 in almost all Hermes shoes, which is interesting because they're just half size, I guess, smaller, the way that they run compared to Chanel. Okay, the last item I was not expecting to buy, kind of similarly to the scarf. I just like, you know, the scarf I like saw, and I was like, oh, this is like fun, and I'll just grab it and it will be like something really easy to wear, especially as we're getting into colder months. This, I was talking to my Hermes essay about wanting to get more into Hermes ready-to-wear. And it's tougher, you know, if you're not a size 2, 4, 6, 8, finding ready-to-wear in these stores. This is an interesting, like, collapsible box. It comes with the ready-to-wear stuff. So he pulled this out of the back, and I tried it on, and I actually, this is a great example of girl math. So let me just show you. It is this like really pretty kind of like neutral brown sweater. Very cute, but girl math, because it's reversible, it was basically like half off, right? You see my logic? So if you can remove the tag, okay, don't freak out people, but then you can wear it logo mania if the occasion calls for it, or you wear it the other way, and then this is what I thought was like really cute. you cuff the sleeve like that for like a little pop of something something. And it looks really cute with this scarf here. I'll show you. See, the colors are very cute. I will just pop this on really quick. Okay. Oh my gosh, and there's like a full library book inside the sweater. The tags of these places. It's so funny. So Prada's the same way. They put like a full-on encyclopedia inside all of their shirts, and you're like, are you guys serious? Pull out the mane. So it's just like a really cute kind of like comfy sweater. Hold on, okay, so I took this sweater in a 42. It's like a boxier cut, so we could do that. It does have this like band at the bottom, and so for sweaters that have that band, I just like to flip it up kind of like that. It's kind of like a faux French tuck. And then this with the scarf, you know, not my normal color palette, but I do feel like, you know, for work or like the more casual days, this is like so chic with like a long trench coat over it or something. And then here's like the double-sidedness, but you can also wear it the other way if you're feeling more like logo ho. So that is what I got myself from Hermes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know any questions down in the comment box below. And I hope you're all having a great day. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.